feel like a lot of other moisturizers, you want that glow, but it gives you kind of like an oily, nasty glow. But this gives me like an actual like dewy finish on my skin. Hi everyone, I'm Brittany.
I'm Jacinda.
And we're on the Ula social team. We're gonna show you how to get this everyday glowy makeup look in less than 10 minutes. We're gonna use C-Rush Brightening Gel Crème,
Banana Bright Eye Crème, and then Banana Bright Primer.
We're gonna go in with C-Rush Brightening Gel Crème. I'm really oily, so I really like this moisturizer because it's a gel formula, locks in 24 hours of hydration.
Yeah, and I personally have really dry skin, so I love this for the hydration as well, and it just creates sort of that perfect canvas for my makeup application. Smells amazing.
People will sometimes ask me if I'm wearing highlight, and it's literally just this moisturizer, so I'm like, hell yeah.
Next, we're using the Banana Bright Eye Crème.
What I love about this eye cream is that it actually instantly brightens the under eye and color corrects, so you can really get that nice brightening effect under your eye without any concealer or anything, especially after like a late night.
It's like a full 8 hours of sleep
in a jar.
2 swipes, yeah.
So our last skincare makeup prep step is going to be our Banana Bright face primer.
It just creates this beautiful canvas, blurs imperfections, and color corrects as well.
Hashtag Ula Glow.
Yes.
Not only does this primer extend the wear of your makeup, but it also has skincare benefits. So it has vitamin C, vitamin E to really hydrate, brighten your skin, and blurs imperfections. So now we're gonna go in with makeup. Because the primer is so blurring for the skin, I feel like I don't even really need foundation. So sometimes I'll just go in with concealer just to spot correct.
I like to use a little bit of CC cream. Since I do have dry skin, I think it really helps to make sure I don't get that texture later in the day.
I love that it has skincare benefits because a lot of primers, I mean, they're meant to hold your makeup, which this primer does, but it's so rare to find a primer that actually has like vitamin C, which is amazing for your skin, vitamin E. So now I'm going to go in with bronzer, get really glowy for summer, like I've been on PTO. So I'm always looking for just a quick hack, and I love brow gel, so I'm just going to go in really quick.
So I think my favorite makeup is highlighter.
Same.
It just, that glow, you know?
So this is my pro tip. So I get Banana Bright face primer, I put it on my finger, and I just put on the high points of my face, and it actually acts as a highlight. You can see that glow.
Bomb. Oh my god, I can't.
I feel like my makeup just stays put with this primer, but it also gives like a nice glow that really shows through. The vitamin C is super hydrating.
The vitamin C is pumping right now.
It's
it's glowing. It's looking good.
Time for lashes.
So I actually don't even use an eyelash curler.
Oh my god, you're blessed because I have the straightest lashes. They go like this. I'm gonna put on some blush.
I like to just put it on sort of like the apples of my cheeks right here, and it gives me a nice little rosy glow. Lip gloss
is poppin'.
It's poppin'. It's about to be poppin'.
It's about to be poppin'. This is the final look. These vitamin C products I feel like just makes my makeup look so much glowier, stays on longer, creates like a really nice canvas for my makeup.
Using these products together, I really think the primer makes a difference. Like at the end of the day, I'll still look this glowy, this dewy.
So if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them below. We'll get to them. We're out.